Can we set outgoing call ringtone in Android? Hello everybody. In this video we are going to find out, so let's just start. For that you may open up your phone app first, and then once you open it up, tap on the three dot at the top, and once you do, tap on settings. After tapping on settings, what you can do is head over to the option called call alert and ringtone, or similar those kind of feature, and here we have option of changing our ringtone. So if you're trying to set outgoing call ringtone in Android, you can't directly change the ringtone that other people hear when you call them. That's determined by the recipient's carrier and their settings, not your phone. So if you're trying to do that, the sound you hear when you call someone is the ringtone tone, which is a service offered by their mobile carrier, not by your own phone settings. So the only thing we can change is our own ringtone. So for that, you may tap on ringtone, and then once you go over there, select your theme, and then you may apply the changes by selecting the ringtone that you would prefer. So that is it for now. That's how we find out we cannot change the outgoing call ringtone, but we can change the normal ringtone. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.